Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the
Hi
twilight.
everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is actually the third day of my 100 days of YouTube videos and I'm very excited. So today I'm just going to show you my everyday work makeup because I work from Monday to Friday. This is just a quick tutorial to show you a realistic work makeup. I am a worker, I have a job, so I have to wear makeup every day because I am the front desk. You get? I'm the front desk officer. So it's just something very quick and snappy. So I'm actually, this oil I'm applying, my sister gave it to me, so I don't know where, I don't know the name, I don't know where she got it from, but I think she said she got it from her friend. Okay, so I'm just applying the oil on my face. Everything is just sharp. I don't really waste time. So I'm using my Ezekiel foundation in Sexy Almond. What I actually do is that I don't use concealer at work. I don't know why. It's not I don't know why. I don't just like carrying a lot of makeup at work. So I don't really use concealer. I just use this to brighten under my eyes. So like this, you know, it's just for you to look presentable. If you are wondering why the brush is like dirty, please, it's because I used it yesterday. Like I said, I work every day from Monday to Friday. I always work, always. So I just apply it on the places you usually highlight when you are doing your makeup. So yeah. So yeah, so once I'm done doing that, I'm going to use my cacao, the shade cacao, still Ezekiel. Just going to put a little on my brush, and then yeah. So what I like to do is I like to put just little here, then under. So what I like to do is I like to take it upwards like this. Like, yeah, just I like to blend it upwards. Same thing here. Blending it upwards, and then around the corners of my face here. So here I'm blending it downwards like this. And this is day 3 of my 100 days of YouTube videos, and I'm so excited. Like, there's progress. There's actually progress, and I'm glad I'm able to like do this. Or rather, I'm glad I'm making progress. So what I like to do is, just because the cacao is really dark, so I like to take a little of the Sexy almond and still mix with cacao, and then like a little cacao because it's really dark, and then I'll just under here, under my cheek, and then blend. You are obstructing me, dear earrings. So then I just like quick blend. This is just my own style of work makeup because it's really fast. And before you know it, you're done. So you just blend everything together. So then I'm going to take this highlight powder. It's called Elsas. So I'm going to take it, and then it has a puff in it. So what I just do is take a little of the puff, pour some powder on the puff, and then just around my highlighted places. Oof. You see, this powder is really messy, but with a quick dust off, you can just easily take out everything. So I don't like using too much, because if you use too much, you have some what they call this thing now, you look ashy if you use too much. So I just like using little, like this. So once I'm done with that, the next thing I like to do is take my brush and just wipe off everything. Like I said, because I carry a lot of things to work, so I don't really bring all my makeup stuff. Just something I can work with, and then makes me look presentable and look good. So you just dust off everything. I just take my sleek palette, my contour kit. As you can see, it's old, it's because I always use it. So I just take here and just contour, set the foundation that we use to contour. So I just set it like so. Just set everywhere that I contoured with the powder. Contour, just set. Yeah. So I brought my lip palette today. I actually brought it for a reason. But I usually don't bring it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this brush, and then I'm going to take this. Sometimes I use it as blush. So I'm going to take this color, this orange color here, and I'm just going to place it around just for blush, just so my face has some, like, some fresh blush to it. You can also smile. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I just like blend everything out. Blend it in. You gotta blend. So I don't want to waste this, so I can just like use it on my eyelids like this. That's the remaining lipstick, just so I have like pop of color. You can just play with what you have. Just make sure at the end of the day you look good, and when someone sees you at the front desk, they'll be like, "Oh, hi, I like the way you're looking," and then you're gonna be like, "Thank you." And then highlight here a little, because we at work. We don't want to be doing too much, baby. And yeah, I don't sweat at work, because the AC is always turned on. So yeah, so sometimes I hardly use primer. So yeah, for my eyebrows, I'm just going to brush it in, because the foundation has already like made it look like it's concealed. I'm going to sharpen my brush. I'm actually using the Davis eye pencil in the color number 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, nothing serious, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. I don't really do much, because I mean my eyebrows are already full. So just something little, very little. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to use a spoolie to just brush it out like this. You see, the makeup doesn't take time, like we're almost done. And then I'm going to use my gel. I have gel in here. I Koko Styler gel. So I'm just going to take a little of that with my spoolie brush just to make sure that my eyebrows stay in place. So I'm just going to put it on my eyebrows to make them sleek. Like, you feel me? You feeling the eyebrows? You sure you feeling it? If you're not, that's your business. Like, I know this is going to sound funny to some people, but I actually like using a black liner to line my lips, because I just feel it makes my lips come out more, and I don't know, it just gives me this old school look that I actually like, but not everybody likes it. So now that I'm done lining the outer part of my lips, I'm going to use the brown to line around the outer part also, just to like, so that it doesn't look so harsh. Even though most times I do not mind if it looks harsh, I actually like it. Black liner just does something to your lips. Just really makes it like pop. Like, everybody in my office knows me black liner. So yeah, I'm going to still use same liner. This is Davis in color 1 to line my waterline. Okay, so just for some eye look, I'm going to, I already used this. I'm just going to take the gold to just add some glow to my eyelids. So once I'm done with that, I'm also going to apply it on the inner corner. At work I can't use any brush. I always use any brush as far as I get my desired look and I'm comfortable with my look, man. I use any brush. So now I'm going to use the Zaron HD liquid liner. I love this liner so much, like, you have no idea. It's so dark, so dark. And mind you, I do not do wing all the time. It's just sometimes, just like today. This is the Zaron 4-in-1 wing mascara. I actually love it. It's very and it's so pretty. Especially the packaging. But yeah, so I'm going to take the big part and then just. So now I'm going to take the part for the bottom lashes, which is this part here. You can see how the brush is. I'm just going to put that on. Oh yeah, I forgot. I also like adding beauty mark. So just around the spot. And mind you, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be there. So for my lips, I usually just add gloss. I don't do much because you can see my lips are already pink or red. So I just use a little brush. So now I'm going to use this part of the brush to just remove the stains that the mascara caused. It doesn't take much, So I'm going to use this brush to highlight my brow bone so that I can pop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. I hope you tell your friends about my challenge and you all come and grow with me. I hope you support me. Please don't forget to tell your friends to like, subscribe and share, and also leave a comment letting me know what you think. Okay, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.